This is the mall of Montelledra, and this is in Caimito. It's in the same area where I live. Okay, now we're at the grocery store. We're gonna buy a couple of things. Look at the beautiful flower, ain't that nice? I'm trying not to I call it take people's face or anything. Don't want no problems. So anyway, we're here in the corner now. It's the closest supermarket that we have. You know, it's just down the road from my house, and everybody buys here from the area. So from here, I'm gonna go and take these beautiful plants. Look how beautiful. Let me show you. Ah, ain't it beautiful? This is purple basil, and I think I bought the regular basil also, seeds. Here we got purple letters. This was 99 cents at, no, 118 I think it was. I bought all this. Hold on. I bought also this plant, a little flower. I don't know, everything cannot be just food. So I bought all these 4 things: the pepper, the flower, the basil, and the lettuce. I bought them all, and it was like $18.98. So I didn't really waste much, and I'm loving it. As you can see, it has a lot of flowers, and it has, where's the bell pepper? Okay, there it goes. And it has peppers. So, oh, and it has a little one here. I'm just praying to God that it does not fall off. You know, I'm gonna put it in a nice place where it gets nice water and everything, and I'm gonna see how we could take care of these. And I bought some seeds. I bought I think it was how you call this, basil, but the regular one. And I bought also kale, but it's a different kind of kale. When I get home, I'll show you what kind of kale it was. But I bought kale, and I bought something else. I don't remember. Basil, kale, and what was the third one? I can't remember. But anyway, we're going home now. I'm gonna put this in order, and then I'll show you the seeds that I bought. So see you in a while. Okay, now you can see how beautiful. I put them in the sun because where they were at, they didn't get much sun. I don't know why. I don't know if it was cloudy or something, because sometimes they do get, when I have gone, there was sun. So I don't know if it's because of the, how you call it, because it was cloudy. I don't remember. But I got these. I have these. These are curry sweet basil. And I have the lettuce. But the best thing, I got these peppers. So I need to keep them sunny. And I don't know if they wet. No, they're a little dry. This one is humid. This one is humid. And this one is humid. This one's the only one that is dry. So I'll see if I give them give that one a little water. And I want to also show you. That's all I got. This one is kale, but the seeds are red. It's called red and white Russian. I guess it's red and white Russian kale. Yeah, kale red and white. Okay, kale red and white. That's what it's called. So this is gonna be very interesting. You know, I was trying to get the normal kale, but hey, it's okay. Now these are black eggplant. So look how beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna grow these 2, and I have lettuce. I didn't know I bought lettuce. That's why I couldn't remember what I bought. I bought lettuce, and I'm gonna see if I could grow them. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time.